So my goal in photography is to sort of make myself disappear with all my photographic equipment in a way. I want to photograph things the way I see them. And of course, we humans see across much wider spectrum of light in depth of field than we can do with cameras. So I always try to expose for ambient light. That's why it's a very long exposure photography. There's about 3-second exposure there to make sure that I can get moon in the picture. And then once you get that in place, then you have to be concerned about freezing the movement of these two small players, mouse and a mosquito. And so that has accomplished this very small flash, very small pulse of flash, kind of inobtrusive flash that is just right above it. The biggest sort of thing, I think, for me, always been to realize that how much of absolutely fascinating biology and scenery is happening right around us, and all you have to do is just light it up. So my advice would be to really pay attention to what's happening around. I mean, don't look for exotic places that you don't have any familiarity with. You're likely to produce pretty mundane-looking pictures. But if you photograph an environment you're likely to tell the most compelling story.